test out this flip phone. Okay, now I'm gonna play a game on it. You can play games on flip phones. Did you know that? And we can do a flip. Press the button send, like send right here. Press send and press OK. Send and OK. Now go.
Okay, guys, we're in Beat Crushed by Speedwell. Why did it pick Nora's account? I wanted to do my account, not Nora's account, you silly. You go up here, stay up here. We jump out, there you go. We come here, it says to press, that's cool. I want to press the button, yeah. I want to press the button. Oh no, run away. There we go, we did it. Yeah. We did it. Oh no, I died. I got it to golden. Not bye, guys. Why did I say bye, guys? That's wrong. Why did I say bye?
Guys, now we're going to test out this tablet. I'm going to show you stuff about this tablet. Yeah. Oh no, I can't. Where is the square? Where's the square? Oh, come on. There you go, there's let's test it out.
Now I'm on my iPad 2, and we're going to use Minecraft. Let's play Minecraft on my iPad 2. Let's play. Okay. Or I could call it iPad 2. That's funny. Hard mode. Yay! Hard mode, my favorite. Wait a minute. Never mind. We should not do this. Bye.
Guys, we're done, and we have this Samsung phone. It's Samsung. I'm gonna show you the camera. This is a Samsung Galaxy S7 right here. It says S7. Come on. It says S7. Look, it says Galaxy S7. We have a phone background. Okay, and we have this, and it's a Samsung. Let's test it out.
Now I'm playing tag with Ryan. It says run. Let's run. Run away from her. Run away from Combo Panda. We're trying to get Gus. 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 Very fast. Very fast. Very fast. Very fast. Very fast. We are doing it. Very, very, very fast. Jump. There we go. Jump. There we go. Jump. There we go. Jump. Jump. There we go. There we go. Jumping. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. We got all the coins. Yay! Woohoo! Yeah! It's working. It's working. It's working. It's very fun. Jump. This is like Geometry Dash. Jump. There we go. We're jumping. Yay! Woohoo! Yeah! And jump. No, don't slide. It's just silly. Don't slide. It's silly. Stop, please. Please. Don't do it. Run away. No, I mean, go to him. Don't Don't run away, guys, from me. I was just joking with you. Oh no, go. You didn't know. You was gonna stay here. Oh no, come on. Oh. Deep. I don't know what this says. Oh no. Jump.
Guys, we're now back and we're doing this computer is upside down here. So that is the outside. Outside. Okay, we have the keyboard and we have the screen. We have the middle that said HP, and we have the off button, and then there's HQ. It's called HQ. I think it's called HQ. Let's test it out. Okay, guys, now we're playing Baldi on the Xbox. Why do I look like Nora? I want to look like me. Why? Oh, Xbox One. I went inside the portal. That's perfect. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 0 plus 0 equals 0. That's wrong. Sorry, Baldi. How is this a blurry room? How is this a blurry room? I can only see my color. Wait a minute, what is this? Oh no, I look crazy. My picture looks crazy. Help me. Baldi in the elevator. I have a shiny quarter in the elevator, Baldi. Look at